Welcome back to News 17. Well, if you haven't been to the Colorado Ski Museum, now is a great time to go. They've added something new, a mural painted by one of the 10th Mountain Division members who now lives in Hawaii, but he traveled all the way here to Vail just to paint this special mural, and I was recently at the museum to find out a little bit more about it.
He was a famous trumpet man from old Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie-woogie bugle boy of Company B.
They skied. They marched. They went where no man had gone before.
They just kind of shake their head at what they see here and what we did.
They are the men of the 10th Mountain Division, the only American soldiers ever trained expressly for mountain warfare.
The story of the 10th. It's a great story.
A story told here at Vail's Colorado Ski Museum. A story that just got a little more interesting. Meet Mac McKenna, former 10th Mountain soldier and artist.
Dick called me about a year ago and said, well, we'd like to have you come back and paint a mural for the diorama, 10th Mountain diorama. And I said, well, your timing is perfect, so I'll take a few days and see if we can accomplish the mural, get the mural done for the diorama.
The love of my life is this 10th Mountain room display. That's my chief interest, and so I try to spend as much time as I can putting it and seeing it's kept in good shape, and that we can add some things to it like this mural. I'm just so thrilled to think that Mac McKenna would come all the way from Hawaii to do this.
I think this is absolutely stupendous, and we couldn't have asked for a better artist to do the labor work for us. Not only the finished product, but the design as well.
Like fresh snow on Vail Mountain, fresh paint is pushed around for everyone to enjoy and understand.
It represents Homestake Peak, and Slide Lake would be over in here, and many of our maneuvers took place in this area. So I wanted it to be meaningful, and I wanted it to be right.
And the finished product? A piece of history created by the men who lived it.
We were an elite outfit, and we're among the fortunate ones that came back, and unfortunately we left a lot of our comrades over there in Italy.
What we went through in World War II has been related to our life here in post-war, and we're very proud. We're very proud, and we're a family.
Reporting from the Colorado Ski Museum, I'm Tracy Hall. Amazing group of men, and if you'd like to learn more about the mural or the 10th Mountain Division, you can always stop by the Colorado Ski Museum. They're open every day except for Monday, and they are located on the top floor of the Vail Transportation Building located in Vail Village. And for more information, you can give them a call. Their number is 476-1876. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of News 17, but before we go, I'd like to thank the Daily Trail for sponsoring this program. The Daily Trail is Monday through Friday and offers the right mix of local, regional, national, and world news, plus next-day local sports coverage. Pick up your copy of the Daily Trail today. Just look for the red box. And if you missed any part of the show, you can catch it again. The news airs at 6 a.m., noon, and 6 p.m. right here on TV 17. For Rod Fessenden, I'm Tracy Hall. Have a great week, and we'll see you again Friday morning at 6 for our weekend edition.